It's a Top That Trade Day. Joining us now, Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Nuckman, an options trading pro. Here we go, guys, with our trader game we like to call Top That Trade. Round number one, trade wars. JP Morgan is making it possible to trade without some fees. What do you think about making money on JPM?
All right, so let's talk about, I'm not going to name the company, but one of these electronic brokerage firms, they made $490 million in commission last quarter, okay? But they also made $332 million in net interest and then $140 million in investment product fees. So those two added up to the same amount as they did in commission. So they make money on the money is what it comes down to.
And
so JP Morgan's going with that.
Yeah.
Going with that model. JP Morgan, I target 135 on JP Morgan, which is 17% above. We've been trading between 105 and 120. So breakout on that target's 135. Up and away. Banks know how to make money.
Yeah, but the bottom line too is JP Morgan has had some issues here, and to do this, you know, they're really trying to make a splash in a new market. Their goal, of course, is to get you in there, earn money off your interest, but at the same time get you familiar with their platform, so that when they raise the fees, you stay with them.
So it's going to go up to $2. Right, it's going to go up to $2.95 after the first year, but
and then interest rates will be at 5%.
Commissions
maybe,
shouldn't be a major factor in your decision-making process for where you trade.
On to round number two, consumer crisis. Consumer sentiment has had its ups and its downs this year. Some analysts say when it's up, it's cause for concern. What do you guys think?
I think it's something you want to watch. I mean, consumer confidence is coming off a record high. The Federal Reserve is a little bit worried about it. They're saying that the trade war concerns are actually hurting the people at the lower end right now because it's adding to inflation. So maybe that drop in consumer confidence is reflective of higher prices for gasoline and retail goods. But then on the other hand, when I hear that theory, I look at Walmart sales. Walmart sales were through the roof. So apparently maybe they're not getting depressed because prices are going up.
Consumer
they're just going
confidence
to Walmart and spending a lot
sometimes
of money.
is going to measure, you know, when you're looking at durable goods, cars, furniture, houses. Now, houses are now less affordable, is I guess the right way you want to say it. It's less affordable than they've been in a long time. So that's got kind of people spooked. We've had interest rates move a little bit higher, inflation's move a little bit higher, but it's because we're coming off such a low level that's maybe brought the confidence down. But I don't think it's a long-term concern.
And in round number three, 2018 targets. It certainly has been a summer of fun, but what do you see as we run into the rest of the year?
30,000 in the Dow. But not at year's end. I'm saying 1 year from now, because that's about 15% above where we are right now. So if we can do 15% again over the next 52 weeks, that brings us to 30,000 in the Dow.
I think you're pretty darn close, and I got to hand it to you. This man has been the bull of all bulls. I'll tell you.
Full of bull. I am full of bull.
Exactly. I have to bring out the red flag, and I have to play devil's advocate just to calm him down. Just calm down now. But I think 30,000 is a good target. But just to be more bearish, just to play devil's advocate, I'll go just one tick.
Oh, yeah, 29,999. Yeah.
You guys are doing great today. Here's your bonus round question. There's a study that takes a look at employees at the office, and many are stressed. So what can companies do to make employees stress-free or have less stress at the office?
I think if everybody had a cat in their office, you could just pet your therapy cat, I think that would help you relax.
You allow your employees to pet your hair, but that's not what I'm going to talk about. What I do, and I think this could be good, well, forget, I buy them donuts on Friday, but that doesn't count. But what I do is I play music every once in a while in the office, and it does seem to get everybody in a better mood.
The answer is an open office floor plan. People are walking around more, they're more active, so they have less stress. Great job. Thanks for coming on the show. Business First AM continues right after this. Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.